We're back to share one of Oman's stunning destinations, Bandar Al Khairan. Before we head down to the beach, let's take a moment to admire the breathtaking view from the mountaintop. The scenery is incredible, and while the beaches may be a bit of a trek, they're perfect for camping. This area is also fantastic for hiking, and you can enjoy excursions on boats or jet skis. The sunsets here are absolutely mesmerizing. Bandar Al Khairan boasts a remarkable viewpoint and is surrounded by mountains ideal for hiking. A short 20-minute hike will lead you to serene and picturesque beaches that are unique to Oman. Located on the rugged western coastline of Muscat, Bandar Al Khairan is a popular weekend getaway for activities like kayaking, snorkeling, camping, and hiking. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest posts. Thank you for watching.